Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a KERACARE Curl Essence and Gel Essence review and demo, and if you guys want to know my full thoughts and opinions about these products, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by using the KERACARE Curl Essence Moisturizing Shampoo, and this has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil, and those two right there are super good for the hair. They're super moisturizing, and with this shampoo it has a gentle cleanse to it. It hydrates the hair and it eases combing and it adds shine. Prior to this I did comb my hair out because y'all, like, my hair was so... No, I was not about to go on camera looking a super duper hot mess. But I'm just really glad that this shampoo did not take out none of the moisture out of my hair. It still felt super moisturized and it didn't make my scalp feel dry either. Even though this is a moisturizing shampoo, you still want to focus it mainly on your scalp and do it everywhere. Do not miss any spots on your hair, especially this part right here. Sometimes I forget that part, but yeah, mainly focus it on your scalp and just not so much on your actual hair strands. You can wash your hair twice with this if you want to, but since I used so much of this product, it lathered up my hair super well and just cleaned my hair super well, so I feel like it was unnecessary for me to go back with the shampoo again. I did rinse out my hair with very cool water, and as you can see, this shampoo did not strip any moisture out of my hair. You can definitely still see the curl pattern in my hair. And now I'm going to go in with the Curl Essence Moisturizing Conditioner, and it also has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. As you've seen, this conditioner is not really that thick, but surprisingly it still moisturized my hair very well. And I did use this as a deep conditioner too, so this product right here, the whole set with the shampoo and conditioner, works so good. This helps prevent brittleness and dryness, prevents breakage and split ends, eases combing, and adds shine. So I would definitely recommend getting the shampoo and conditioner together because I feel like both of these together work so much better instead of using them like with different brands alone, you know. So yeah, these two, the Curl Essence shampoo and conditioner, work so good. After I was done finger detangling, I went in with my detangling comb, which I'll link down below for you guys. And I just want to let you guys know about the scents with the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner smell very sweet and floral at the same time. It has like the perfect mixture to them. A couple of important things that I really want to mention about these products is that they're free from sulfates, mineral oils, silicones, phthalates, and petroleum, and that is so beneficial for the hair. And it's cruelty free and vegan. Like I said earlier, you can use this for deep conditioning as well. So I left this in my hair with a clear type of shower cap for about 30 minutes. Then I took it off after I was done doing my whole little shower routine, and look how defined my curls are. Even though this conditioner is like not that thick, it still moisturized my hair very well. You want to rinse out your hair with cold water so you can lock in all that moisture that your hair just received. And look how shiny my hair looks. Look how defined my curls are. Like, my hair is definitely very happy with these two products. Once I hopped out the shower, I waited for an hour because I was eating. But look how my hair looks. Oh my gosh, I didn't put no product in it, and my curls are so defined and they look so soft. But now I'm going in with the moisturizing curl cream, and look how thick this is. This smells very sweet as well, but I definitely smell the coconut oil more with this product. It's gonna help give my curly coils a lot of definition, and it's gonna leave my hair feeling soft and smooth, allows for movable hair and for it not to feel so stiff and hard. This is perfect if you want to do protective styles with your hair as well. Then instead of using water the whole time to re-wet my hair, I'm gonna go in with the moisturizing cocoa water, and I'm going to be testing these 3 different gels for you guys. And the first one is the Super Hold Gel. This is from the GelEssence collection, and this gel is going to give me a strong hold. Towards the end of this video, I am going to be giving you guys a whole summary about all the products that I used in this video and let you guys know what I fully think about them. And I'm going to be using this comb to give my hair some more definition, and I'll link that comb in the description box as well, and all the products that I'm using in this video. With the GelEssence moisturizing gel, this is going to give me a good crunch free hold and obviously moisturize my curls as well. And with all the Curl Essence collection, all of the gels are flake free, leaves hair free from sticky buildup, adds shine, and sensitive to ingredient conscious users, so it's not that strong of a scent with their GelEssence products. The last GelEssence I'm going to try is the strengthening gel, and this gives a crunch free hold, and this is gonna help strengthen and condition my hair. So this is really beneficial if your hair is like brittle or weak or thin. My hair is obviously not like that, but this gel was definitely my favorite. I'm just going to be continuing the same steps. Separate my hair, add the moisturizing cream and the cocoa water or just the plain water, then add some gel, then go in with the comb, and just do everything like that. And then I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle because the middle part is always my to-go-to. It's always been my favorite, and I just love a good middle part. Then lastly, I'm gonna go in with the Curl Essence Healthy Edges Edge Control, and this is flake free, non-sticky, and gives a nice shine. It's going to leave my edges feeling smooth and details my edges with a hold that lasts. And I definitely love this edge control. It's definitely moisturizing, and it's definitely gonna grow more of my edges as well too because of the Jamaican castor oil and the coconut oil. But look at my edges though, they look really nice. This is how my hair looks before I go in with diffusing. You can air dry your hair if you want to, but for me, I love diffusing my hair. Make sure you guys go check out KERACARE. They have really nice, super affordable curly hair products, and I'll leave all the products I used and mentioned in this video linked down below for you guys. And if you guys want to know my full summary and conclusion about all these products that I use, stay tuned towards the end of this video. So this is how my hair looks the next day. And honestly, at first I wasn't feeling it because I'm very used to having very defined curls, but actually this is so cute, like having defined curls with a mixture of frizz. This kind of reminds me of how my hair looks on day 5 or after a week, and I honestly like the results now. You can still see the definition in my curls, and I love how it really moisturizes my curls too. Like, they don't feel very hard and crunchy. If you don't like your hair feeling hard or crunchy, I definitely recommend these products because they still give you definition with volume. And really quick, I do want to talk about the KERACARE GelEssence gel collection. I did try 3 different ones because I wasn't sure which one would work best with my hair type. And if you didn't know or can't tell, I have 3C, 4A hair type. 4A is all the way in the back, but the 3C and everything's like on the sides. The Super Hold Gel wasn't my favorite. The Moisturizing Gel, it works cool. It has Jamaican black castor oil in it. This is really good for hair growth too, not even just moisturizing the hair. The Jamaican black castor oil is good for treating the hair and just helping the hair grow. Lastly, the strengthening gel with extra virgin olive oil, for me at least, was better than all of them. The Super Hold Gel and the moisturizing gel. I really do enjoy the products. They definitely moisturize my. If you guys want to see how I cut my own curly hair, I'll leave that video linked down below for you guys, because this is probably one of the best haircuts I've ever did on myself, and it looks so freaking good. And it's been like 3 months now and it's still looking good, and it's looking like the perfect shape that you need for your curls. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these products and my hair. Would you guys try them out? Have you tried out KERACARE before? Let me know in the comments. If you guys have any questions or concerns about anything or about these products, let me know in the comments, and do not forget to like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony to see more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle from me. I film all types of girly content with hair, makeup, hygiene, everything that a girl needs. Subscribe to my channel to see more content like that. So with that being said, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.